guys, I'm Jacky YBT and welcome to my channel. And this channel is dedicated to tech review, unboxing and tutorial. Let's get started. This is Logitech MK215. Another Logitech, I know. Yeah, and it's not mine. Once again, you might ask, why you got so many items that is not yours? Because I don't have much money, so I borrow it from my friend. And this is the same guy like as last video, Gary Moore. So thank you once again, and today just gonna unbox it and we can look through the keyboard and the mouse combo. So this is a wireless keyboard and mouse combo. It's pretty cheap. It's less than 100 bucks in Malaysia ringgit, so it's quite cheap for the combo like this. As you can see, the packaging itself is very classic Logitech packaging with their color scheme. This is steel. You can see there's a mouse with a big ass receiver thing and a keyboard that you have to install with the battery. And the battery can last, for the keyboard, can last up to 24 months, and for the mouse it's only 5 months. Okay, and I don't know why here got one India flag and written $4 or 4 rupees, something like that. What's that? I'm not sure. Tell me if you know down in the comment section below. And it's for USB, Windows 8 and 10 compatible, but I don't know why didn't put a Mac logo. I'm gonna test it later with my MacBook. There's a small text here. This is weird. What you need a Windows devices, Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista or XP, Chrome OS, Linux, kernel 2.6 and above, and USB port, but they didn't put Mac OS. Kind of weird, but I will test it out later. Okay, so let's open the box. Let's cut the bullshit and let's open the box. Gonna take my cutter once again. Just gonna cut it through. Done. Yeah, so at the back, I'll show you at the back first. So compact, space-saving keyboard, low-profile keyboard feature a standard layout and full-size number pad, which is great. I love full-size number pad. Comfortable mouse, a shape that fits your hand, plus smooth, responsive cursor control. Okay. Logitech Advanced 2.4 GHz wireless, fast data transmission, no delay or dropout, and a 10 meters 30 foot wireless range. The batteries that last 24 months for the keyboard and the 5 months for the mouse. I'm just gonna open it out. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, sorry Mark. Let me drop it. Looks good. Okay, nothing inside the box already. Just put it aside. First thing you can see, there's a setup guide. Tell you how to set up the keyboard and the mouse. Very straightforward. And some important safety and warranty information. Okay, that's it. So here, I believe all the battery are stored here, and this is the big ass wireless transmitter. Okay. Looks good though. For you to install the battery in this keyboard, you just have to slide it out. You will hear the click sound and take it out. This is for the keyboard one, and this is for the mouse. Okay, let's set up right now. Done. Put accordingly. So this is the last here, and this one. Okay, that's simple. So you put it back and then. Okay, so this is pretty much done, and for the next one will be the mouse here. So the mouse, the build quality is quite cheap, you know. It's the cheap plastic feel. Everything is just cheap, and I feel empty inside. This mouse is like very like toy, you know, feels like a toy. But the size is fit perfectly fine in my hands. So good, that's a good thing. So right now, just push it, and you see the place where you put your battery. Same thing. Install it accordingly. Okay, done. So this is how you install it. So first, let's talk about the keyboard. It's very clicky. which is a good thing, and got that tactile feel. I like it. It's okay. The size for me is okay. Main thing is to be compact, so that's why you don't have an armrest here for you to type. And I'm glad that they include with the number pad and the mouse. Not too shabby, I would say. So right now I'm gonna put this thing to this USB hub. I'm gonna test it. So if you are using a Mac, after you plug in the wireless receiver, you will receive this. So I'm gonna continue. Just gonna continue. Identify your keyboard. So right now you have to follow the instruction. So United States and others. Yep, done. Right now I should be able to use it. Okay, the mouse, I can use the mouse. As you can see, doesn't have those input lag. Yeah, it's pretty well, like very responsive. So right now I'm gonna demonstrate my typing on this keyboard. Hi. So it's quite comfortable. And I can type okayly fast. I don't know, okay fast. I'm not a fast typer, but feels great though. I got that feedback is not that shallow like the MacBook Pro keyboard, the latest one. So you can notice that there's many shortcuts on this keyboard that's dedicated for the Windows experience. So I'm using Mac. When I press it, nothing happened. You can hear the toot sound. Nothing happened. Just keep pressing. So if you guys want to use those shortcut key, you have to use it on the Windows. So as we all know, that after the test of this keyboard is clearly support for Mac, and I don't know why they didn't put the Mac logo outside the box just to clarify, like people won't feel confused like, wait, there's a Windows support, Google Chrome, Linux, but where is the Mac? I'm just curious that why they didn't put the Mac OS logo outside the box. So that's about it, guys. That's my unboxing and setup plus hands-on on this Logitech MK215 wireless keyboard and a mouse combo. Build quality wise, I would say it's cheap. Definitely feel cheap, feels like a toy. But the size is quite compact, as you can see. Very compact, and it also have the number pad, which is a plus for me. And the battery itself can last for 2 years on this keyboard, and the mouse for 5 months. Is pretty impressive. The only thing is the wireless receiver. I don't know why it's make it so big. It's too damn big. Actually they can make it smaller, maybe like this half. No, that's just me. It stick out, very obvious. This mouse is using the invisible optics, so the laser is invisible, so you can use it on the glass surface. Nothing goes wrong. My cheap gaming mouse is not even using the invisible laser optics technology. So you can see the red laser shining through everywhere. Yeah. With this price range, they still use the invisible optics technology, which is a big thumbs up for Logitech. Overall, I would say it's okay. Just don't expect for premium build quality for this price range. Yeah, other than that, it's okay. It's a functioning keyboard. It's cheap. That's the main point. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to click the thumbs up, comment down in the comment section below, subscribe, and share it to your friends and family. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.